Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Abjit. Today I am unboxing a smart bulb. It is very useful for us nowadays. This is very cheap in price also. I bought it for 200 in Flipkart. Now I will show the specifications and I will unbox it and I will show what are the features in it. Okay guys, let's get start our episode. When we take the box from the front side, here the company is Smith and you can see the picture of smart bulb, and here Wi-Fi white smart bulb 10 watts 6500 kelvins, like that it is there. And here some features are there guys: control, timer, dimming, scenes. These four features are there guys. And from this side you can see here like this it is there guys, some information. And here you can see the actual price 799, but in Big Billion Days over guys, in Big Billion Days you got it for only 99, and now you want to buy means it will come for only 200 guys. Here warranty, like that it is there guys. Now I will tear this cover and I will open it guys. Okay guys, I removed the cover. Now I will open this bulb. See guys, when we open, one user manual is there. In that small user manual only guys, Smith smart bulb information booklet. Before using this, read one time guys. And after that we got like this guys. When we open this, inside bulb only will be there guys, and inside nothing guys. This is the bulb guys, simple. You will get only this bulb and one user manual, like that. Only these two things will come guys. This is Smith company bulb guys. Now I will fit to my adapter and I will show how it works like this guys. Okay guys, finally I connected to it. Now I will show how to operate that. Okay guys, before using this bulb we should download an application. The application is MySwitch guys. MySwitch app you should download. I already downloaded it, and now we should open that guys. Now I will tell how to log in that app guys. I already logged in, so just I am saying, I am not showing how to log in. You should click open guys, and after that you should enter your email address, password. After that you should on Wi-Fi guys. This bulb works only in Wi-Fi guys. Without Wi-Fi this bulb will not work, so you should have confirm Wi-Fi. And after owning Wi-Fi you should go to that bulb and press that button, and that bulb will come guys. Mitch V1 A1, like that it will come, and you should press that and you should click start setup. After that this bulb will ask to connect to internet, then you should connect, and after that it will come like your bulb successfully connected, like that it will come. After that you should enter your name guys, device name, and after that within seconds your bulb will activated guys. I told how to set up the app. After setting the app it will come like this guys. I kept my device name as Abhi, and in this app, this is the front view of the app. Here home, scenes, event, settings are there guys. Scenes means you should select any scene, and events means when we select timer guys. If we select at 5:21, the bulb will on at 5:21 and off at we set you should on at 5:21 and you should off at 5:25. Then the bulb will on automatically at 5:21 and off automatically at 5:25 guys. This is the specialty of timer guys. And here settings are there guys. Settings, factory reset, troubleshooting. Factory reset means when you added these scenes, if you want to delete that, you should click factory reset guys. Troubleshooting means if you want any help, you should go press that and you should ask there guys. Now I will show how the bulb works like. See guys, here Abhi is there and here on button is there guys. We should on the switch. This connector switch is there now guys, so that we should on always guys. And after that you should press this guys. See guys, the bulb on. It is in white color. In this this is white color bulb guys. Color light bulbs, rainbow bulb also there guys. That is for 600 rupees in Flipkart if you want buy guys. Now the bulb on it guys, and this is the brightness level guys. If you do this brightness level fully dim, see guys, the bulb fully dimmed. And if you want to increase this brightness, and see guys, the bulb increased. Now I am showing, I will decrease the brightness guys. See guys, light decreases. And if you again want to increase the brightness, you should simply do like this guys. In this two options are there guys, warm, cool. This is in cool mode guys. If you want warm, and you should put here 3 dots is there guys. Now guys, press that. Here cool, warm, white is there guys. If you want warm, you should simply tap like this. See guys, the bulb changed into yellow color. See guys, the bulb changed into yellow. And in yellow we can increase brightness, decrease brightness. In yellow, see guys, this is warm, I kept in yellow, and here I decrease brightness. If you want to increase brightness means, see guys, I will increase brightness. See guys, the brightness increases. If you want cool means, you should simply keep like this guys, and the bulb changed into cool. See guys, I decreased the brightness and I increased the brightness. So you can change from warmer to cooler, cooler to warmer in any time guys. If in your home Wi-Fi signal is not there means the bulb will not work guys. It will work on only Wi-Fi. And in this, if you press this arrow mark, it will show like this guys, 2700 Kelvin, 6000, 4650 Kelvin, 6500 Kelvins. If you want, this is also warmer cooler only guys. If we kept in, see guys, I will show. If we kept in 6500 Kelvins, and the bulb will in white color guys. And if we kept in, see guys, if we kept in 2700, the bulb is orange color guys. And if we kept in 4650 Kelvin means the bulb is in both mix guys, warm and cool, yellow and white mixed, and this color is red color guys. So I will set an event guys. See guys, how to set. I set an event, and here plus symbol is there guys. If you want to keep plus, enter event name. I am entering an event name like Abhi guys, and you should select device guys. This bulb is available right now, and you should keep done guys, and you should select time guys. See guys, all set. Now the time is 5:31 guys. 5:32, 5:33 PM. Okay, at 5:33 PM the bulb will on guys, and 5 5:34. Okay, at 5:34 bulb will off, guys. See guys, save. See guys, now I will off the bulb, guys. See guys, at 5:33 the bulb will on, guys. See, 5:32 time. I am not doing anything, guys. Simply holding the phone and showing to you. At 5:33 the bulb will on, guys. See, the time is 5:32. See guys, bulb on. I didn't do anything. The time is 5:33. The bulb on. At 5:34 the bulb will off, guys. See, now the bulb is on. The time is 5:33. I'm not doing anything. See, my two hands I'm holding phone. See guys, the time is 5:33. See guys, the bulb off. The bulb is off. The time is 5:34. I didn't do anything. Simply I hold the phone. The bulb off at 5:34. See guys, if you want to on again, the bulb will on, guys. So guys, this is the overall review of my smart bulb. Please subscribe to my channel, like, share and subscribe. Hope you like this video. See you again in the next video. Bye guys. One thing guys, next video I am doing what is difference between smart bulb and normal bulb. If you want to see that video, please subscribe to my channel. That is very interesting video, guys. I will do next. Okay guys, bye.